In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create your own Snapchat filters. For that, you have to click on Lens Studio. If you don't have downloaded the Lens Studio, so download it from your browser. I'm going to click on Lens Studio. After opening Lens Studio, you will have this interface. You have to click on here Lens Studio AI. You have to write prompt here. For example, I wrote a prompt here, make a black white filter with time in middle. Click on here, it will generate the filter. You have to wait for 2 to 3 seconds. Now you can see our lens is created, so we are going to click on publish. It's a mono time center. From here you have to add a, now click on your favorite one, preview. Now click on publish to my lenses. You have to click on your organization. For example, this is my organization. Now you can choose a folder, or you can create your your folder from clicking here with organization. For example, you can add here and create the folder. So I already have a lens folder 2026. I'm going to put here, click on submit lens, and here I have to write some tags. For example, close this. Let's add black, white, funny, etc, etc type of tags, and click on publish. And now you have two options, the lens plus payout or top performer payouts. I will go for lens payout, so I will enable this and click on publish. Your lens is now published.